Before buying a 20-gallon fish tank, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, PAIZOO Fish Tank Thermometer. The PAIZOO Fish Tank Digital Thermometer caught my eye with its sleek design and accurate readings, priced at just $9.99. If you want to keep your aquatic friends safe with precise temperature monitoring, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The HD LED display makes it easy to read temperatures at a glance, day or night. Most importantly, it measures temperatures from 0 to 140 degrees F with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.9 degrees F, which means you can quickly ensure your fish are in a comfortable environment. Plus, this thermometer is cordless and touch-activated, keeping your tank free from messy wires. With over 6,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its reliability. Here's the thing though, if you place it correctly and give it a little time to bond, it typically holds just fine. But if you're looking for something that can be adjusted frequently, this might be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, reliable way to monitor your tank's temperature. Skip this one if you need something more permanent and adjustable. For under $10, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the adhesive issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tetra Whisper IQ Power Filter. The Tetra Whisper IQ Power Filter is a standout option, offering a noise level below 40 dB at only $23.17. If you're tired of the constant hum of traditional filters, this is worth a serious look. This filter uses Stay Clean technology to maintain pH levels, which means healthier fish and less maintenance for you. It can handle tanks up to 20 gallons with a flow rate of 130 gallons per hour, ensuring your water stays crystal clear. The self-priming feature means no manual priming is needed, making setup super easy. With over 13,800 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clearly a trusted choice among fish keepers. However, some users mention that the cartridge refills can be a bit pricey. Here's the thing though, if you factor in the low noise and reliable performance, many find it worth the ongoing cost to keep their tank clean and peaceful. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, efficient filter that minimizes maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for a filter with more customizable options. For the price, it offers great value for a quiet environment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a complete setup. Product number 3, Vimvin's 10-gallon glass tank kit. The Vimvin's 10-gallon glass small fish tank caught my attention with its all-in-one design for $109.99. If you're looking for a stylish starter kit that covers all your bases, this one deserves a look. This aquarium kit is ideal for both beginners and seasoned fish keepers. It includes a filtration system that combines physical and biochemical filtration to keep your water clean without the noise. The 15W LED light creates a natural-looking environment, enhancing fish colors and plant growth. With 278 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, many users appreciate its blend of function and aesthetics. Some users found the assembly instructions a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get past the setup phase, the performance is solid and the aesthetics are really rewarding. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger tank right away. For the price, you get a great starter setup that blends function and beauty. Now, if you're after a larger tank, let's talk about something bigger. Product number 4, Aqua Natural Aquarium Substrate. The Aqua Natural Aquarium Substrate caught my eye for just $13.67. If you want to create a beautiful foundation for your aquarium, this is definitely worth considering. This substrate is made from 100% natural materials, ensuring safety for your fish and promoting beneficial bacteria growth. With 2,400 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many appreciate its aesthetic and functional benefits. Now, some users mentioned it can cloud the water initially. Here's the thing though, with proper rinsing and maintenance, that cloudiness clears up quickly, leaving you with a stunning setup. This is perfect for you if you want a natural look and support plant growth. Skip this one if you're looking for a maintenance-free substrate. For under $15, it's a worthwhile investment for your aquarium's health. Alright, if you're still in the market for a complete setup, let's check out my final pick. Product number 5, Tetra Aquarium 20-Gallon Kit. The Tetra Aquarium 20-Gallon Starter Kit is a solid all-in-one setup priced at $119.14. If you want everything you need for a healthy fish environment, this is definitely worth a look. This kit includes a glass aquarium, LED lighting, an internal filter, heater, and even some decorative pieces to get you started. With 3,700 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, users rave about how easy it is to set up and maintain. Some users felt the heater could be more robust. Here's the thing though, it still warms the tank adequately for most freshwater species, and you can always upgrade if necessary. This is perfect for you if you're new to fish keeping and want a hassle-free setup. Skip this one if you prefer a more customizable tank. For the price, it's a complete package that offers great value. In summary, we've looked at the PAIZOO thermometer for precision, the Tetra Whisper filter for quiet operation, the Vimvin starter kit for aesthetics, Aqua Natural substrate for safety and beauty, and the Tetra Aquarium kit for a complete solution. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.